There are new opportunities for health insurance coverage if you find that you are uninsured in 2020. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services have actually provided some clarity that stems back to that FEMA National Emergency Declaration that we saw back in March. It wasn't really clear at the time how that would impact people's ability to sign up for healthcare coverage on healthcare.gov during this time outside of the traditional open enrollment period. Traditionally, there are special enrollment periods, or SEPs. If you miss open enrollment but then have a qualifying life event, then you can sign up for coverage. Well, because of this FEMA national emergency, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services have now said there is an opportunity. If you missed signing up for a special enrollment period because of coronavirus, you now have an opportunity to go back and enroll in coverage. They also said if you lost your health insurance coverage at any time during 2020, going all the way back to January 1st, 2020, you too can sign up for a special enrollment period in the Affordable Care Act Marketplace. Let's talk about these two instances one at a time, just to make sure we're on the same page. The first is called a special enrollment period for complex issues. It actually looks a lot like that special enrollment period for exceptional circumstance, like what we have right now because of hurricane season. If a region is impacted by a national emergency, there is an exceptional circumstance, which means, if you couldn't sign up for health insurance coverage because you were dealing with the emergency, you get more time. Well, that's what this coronavirus special enrollment period looks like. You have more time. So here's an example in the language provided from CMS. Maybe you or someone in your family got sick with the virus, or this national emergency impacted your job and you were uncertain about job-based coverage. Then you may be a person that is eligible to sign up for a special enrollment period in the marketplace. Let's talk about that lost health insurance coverage special enrollment period also announced. If you lost coverage due to the national emergency at any time since January 1st, you may qualify for a special enrollment period. Now, these two instances both stem from that FEMA national emergency, and there is no end date as of yet. So you don't have to hurry and sign up in the next 60 days from the time of the life event, which is the traditional special enrollment period rule. You have, as long as the national emergency is ongoing, that is your time frame to sign up for health insurance coverage in the Federal Affordable Care Act Marketplace. People were confused as to why we were just learning about this now in the last couple of days, and we're in September and the national emergency was announced in March, but it's because there's new clarity from CMS and they've actually changed some of the wording of the questions on the federal marketplace application form. This helps make it clear that if you fall into those categories, you were lost your opportunity to enroll in coverage because of COVID, or you lost health insurance at any time during 2020, you now qualify for a special enrollment period and you can go to the federal marketplace and sign up. The advice that CMS gives is to call the Marketplace call center, and we give that information, the telephone numbers, in the description below. We also share the link where you can read more about special enrollment periods, how they work, and you can read this language that dates back to that FEMA national emergency. We also, if you're in the state of Wisconsin, share the wiscovered.com website. This is a website that'll help get you to an assister if you would like someone to call that Marketplace hotline with you.